guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Isabella Nabi. And this is also Slime and Squishy and DIY channel. I have finally decided. So yeah. My friend recently gave me a squishy in school today. So I thought I would share them with you. And I'd like to thank Emma. Go subscribe to her and like all of her videos. I will link it in the description down below. Hit the subscribe button and like button too. So let's get started. So today I have this unicorn poo ice cream. I'm joking. It's ice cream. It has a yellow spot. Like if you put it on the side, I don't know, but it's cute. So it's really squishy. If you're wondering how to order squishies, you order them on Amazon or anywhere else. I order mine on Amazon. So yeah, it's really squishy. I like it. Here, I don't like the lighting. There you go. So it smells like vanilla. I'm not gonna try it though. And my next one is a face that is adorable. I told my friend if she wanted to play with it, she could. She smashed it like a pancake. And then it just like popped right back up and it looked exactly the same. And I was like, wow. So it's really squishy. Okay, let's see. If we get this video to 100 thumbs up, then I will cut open a squishy. Not one of these, so one of mine. So yeah, I will link Emma down in the description below. And yeah, this is Isabella Nabi saying to you, peace out, dudes.